mean, am I crazy? Huh? I mean, this is all I am trying to say here, okay? If you put me in the game, Brad Bramish is gonna do what needs to be done, baby, okay? But they don't put me in. What needs doing ain't gonna get done, huh? And then don't come crying to me, boo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo, if you don't put me in the game. Now, am I right? Of course I'm right. And don't come to me if you don't let me play.
Didn't.
Shut up. Hey. What are you doing here?
Just listening. All right, you got me. I'm a scout for the Gophers. Been watching your game for a month, but that story right there just clenched it. You got heart, kid. How soon can you be in Minneapolis?
Yeah?
Cold winters, but they got a great public transit system.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
There's a thesaurus in the library. Yaz under Y. Go ahead, I'll wait.
Who invited you?
To the parking lot? Gee, I guess I invited myself.
Maybe you wanna go somewhere more private.
You? Sure.
This boy knows what's good for him, he'll just beat it. Whooping this small fry's butt ain't gonna help me none. Sure ain't gonna help him neither.
Hey, is there a fight?
Yeah.